Assalamu alaikum students of class 6. In our previous session, we have started our first unit, my relationship with my father. And as you know, this topic is about a complex relationship of a father with his son. And the author and his father had different personalities. The author's father, a strict discipline and fitness freak, openly despised his son's interest in the art. He remained aloof and did not demonstrate any affection toward his son. It was only toward the end of his life that he complimented his son. So, as we have learned before, the author was just only 3 years old when his father came back from the war. In a way, his father was an introvert and he never discussed the events, the incidents, whatever happened in the war with his son. And the son was always remained aloof from his father. He was afraid of him, and in a way he was also jealous of his father, that before that, when his father was not there, his mother's whole attention was toward him. So he was not very happy with his father. So now we are starting from paragraph 5. On his return home from the front, my father simply swept means change one uniform for another. He joined the police force. My father never seemed happy in ordinary clothes, civvies as he called them. Here, the civvies means the civilians, the person who are not in armed force or who are not in police or any sort of security guards, as he called them. It was though he needed a uniform to endue him with an identity, and indeed, when he was in ordinary suit, he seems to shrink in stature. So his father was never never feel comfort in the ordinary or civilian dress. So he always want a uniform for himself. Now the sixth one, I'm sure that one of the main reasons for my father's love of uniform was that they were symbols of authority. So as for the author, his father was authoritative and a sort of bossy. My father was nothing if not authoritarian. This made him strict disciplinarian, even a bully as a father, and I bear the emotional and mental scar of his treatment of me to this day. So in a way, his father was bossy and he wanted to control his son. So, and he was strict disciplinarian, and the author thinks that he is a bully also. I'm lucky that I do not also bear physical scar because he sometimes beat me quite severely. I do not also bear physical scar because he sometimes beat me quite severely with a cane. So sometimes he physically also abused him, and emotionally he was not comfortable with his father. Now the seventh paragraph tells us, in view of this, it's fortunate that my father was never much of a presence in my life. Okay, his father was too busy and has a little interference in his son's life. So for the son, it seems like fortunate thing. This was partly because he worked long irregular hours. It's like that he spent longer at his job than was strictly necessary because he was extremely ambitious and would have wanted to impress his superior officers with his zeal. And his father was also a very honest and very honest workman. That means he spent more time in his work, and he worked with quite a zeal, and he spent lots of hours on his duty. So in a way, writer thinks it's as a fortune or it's a good thing. So he has to face his father very last time. The zeal and, to be fair, probably also his ability paid off, and he ascended the police career ladder quite rapidly, become a chief inspector when he was still relatively young. And this hard work also bears fruit, and he progressed very fast, and he became a chief inspector when he was quite young. However, it was not just work which kept him away from me. He simply was not the kind of man who liked to spend much time at home. So his father was also very active and he kept himself busy all the time. So it's not only the work, but he had other activities too. When he was not at work, he would be out indulging in one of his many hobbies. These tended to reflect the fact that he was what now be known as a physical fitness freak. Now, students, what is the physical fitness freak? That the one who is always conscious about his fitness. This was well before the modern obsession with gyms and working out, but he did weight training, boxed, swam, played football and golf, and went hill walking all on a regular basis. When he was not indulging in physical exercise himself, he was encouraging others to do. So his father was quite active and he had lots of outdoor activity. He exactly at that time when this story was written, there was not very much people interested in gym, but his father used to do the weightlifting. He used to box, swim, he used to play football and golf. And if he is not doing these activity, he was encouraging other, training other people and encouraging other to have a physical activity. Foot, football team and ran a local boys club where he coached some of them in boxing and others in swimming. In his spare time, he also worked as a coach for local clubs. And what he used to taught them, he used to teach them. He used to teach them uh, boxing, football, and swimming as well. Now the student, we have two more paragraph. The ninth paragraph, what you may ask was his only son, indeed only child, doing when all these activities was taking place. I was indulging in the hobbies which I enjoyed. But unfortunately, the writer, his son was not least interested in such physical activity. These were sedentary and thus diametrically opposed to those of my active father, and these activities were opposite of those from his son. I love drawing, painting, reading, and writing. Admirable early pursuit for one who has to become an artist, an art critic, as I have put pursuit which did not endear me to my father. So what he said that his activities, his hobby was quite different from his father. It was an opposite side. Both are the two opposite poles. His father loved the physical, he was a fitness freak. He loved to walk, he loved to box. He played lot of games. On other hand, the writer, he had quite different activities, hobbies, that is painting, writing. He wanted to be an artist. He wanted to be an art critic. And that is something which also between these two, father and son. I was indeed a disappointment to him. So, because of this, the father and son relationship was always at wrong side. So, student, now you can understand your first unit, my relationship with my father. Okay, after that we will do the question answers of this topic. So till then, Allah Hafiz.